They are caging me! I shouted. Pareho kaming napatingin ni John sa pinto nang bumukas ito. Pumasok si Mira na nanlalaki ang mga mata na pabalik-balik ang tingin sa akin at kay John. Oh, so when's the wedding? She asked plainly so I tiredly looked at her. Shut up! Inis na sambit ni John dito, kaya tinaasan siya kaagad ng kilay ni Mira. Oh, I forgot. Julia is pregnant. Sarkastikong sambit ni Mira sabay irap. And I am willing to be a father of her child if she just agreed to marry me. John confidently said while looking at Mira, kahit alam naman niya na hindi ako papayag. Too bad, the baby has a father, Mira sarcastically said before putting the folder she's holding to my table. What's that? Mahinang tanong ko. I am not allowed to be stressed, but this kind of life could give me anxiety. Documents, basahin mo na lang. Inis na sambit ni Mira saka siya lumabas ng opisina. John scoffed. That's why when your dad asked me to marry her, I immediately refused. Sarkastikong sambit niya. John, please leave. There will be no engagement between us two. I coldly said before walking towards my swivel chair. You have a complicated life, but I'm always here. Just contact me, he said before leaving. I sighed. Yes, I have a very complicated life. I have a complicated family. Ilang sandali pa'y tumawag si Zeus, kaya tinuon kong buong pansin ko sa pagkausap sa kanya. Dahilan para medyo makalimutan ko lahat ng problema. I just want to escape with him. Yung malayo kung saan kilala ako at ang pamilya ko. Malayo sa pamilya ko. I'll go there later. See you. I miss you already. I love you. He sweetly said so I smiled. Please, see me, I said. Nang maputol ang tawag ay kaagad kong tinawagan si Ann na abangan si Zeus mamaya para siguradong makapasok. After that I tried to work, pero dahil wala ako sa sarili ko hindi ko rin magawa ng maayos ang mga trabaho. I massaged my temple. My head is spinning. I want to eat. I want Zeus. Akmang tatayo ako para kumuha ng tubig sa mini-fridge. Kaso bumukas ang pinto ng opisina ko at pumasok ang sekretarya ni Daddy. Miss Remulla, Sir Remulla wants to give you this, she said before handing me a white folder. I nodded and I immediately opened it. At nang laki ng hustong mga mata ko nang makita ang laman nito. Zeus' personal information, his achievements, his assets, and his investments. Nanginig ako sa galit at namasa ang mga mata ko. The details were all complete. He's using Zeus to manipulate me. No. Nanginginig na sambit ko, saka dali-dalin tumayo. I went to Dad's office in that state, at mukhang inaasahan niyang pagpunta ko dahil hindi siya nagulat. Tinapon ko ang folder sa harap niya, pero wala lang siyang naging reaksyon. Anong ginagawa mo? Sobrang lakas na sigaw ko. Dad mirrored my angry eyes, but after a while he smirked evilly. I'll start with him, he said. Mabilis akong lumapit sa table niya at malakas iyong pinalo. Hindi siya gumalaw. Nanatili lang siyang nakatingin sa akin na tila hindi niya ako kailanman pakikinggan. That guy is smart, huh? Ano kaya ang uunahin kong kunin? Dad, you are not doing this. Galit na sigaw ko, pero umangat lang ang sulok ng labi ni Dad. I am doing this, Julia. Continue being hard-headed. You'll see your commoner shrink. He said so I glared at him with so much anger. I want to slap him. I want to slap him so much. Wala kang puso. My rules will never bend by you. You are Remulla and you will follow me. Matigas na sambit niya. Try me, Dad. Try me. Matapang na sabi ko saka pabagsak ko siyang iniwan sa opisina niya. I will never allow myself to marry another man. Not when I am pregnant. Not when I love the father of my child. Nang makapasok ako sa opisina ko, ilabis ang panghihina ko. Pero nang makita ko kung sinong nasa loob ay bigla akong nabuhayan. Zeus! I shouted and I immediately ran towards him. I jumped to hug him. Mabilis niya akong sinalot, hinalikan ng maraming beses sa noo. I immediately inhaled his scent. Ayoko sa iba. Ayokong mapalayo sa kanya. Zeus! I murmured and that's when he seeked for my eyes. Nagkatinginan kami at gusto ko kaagad maiyak. But he kissed me. He kissed me with so much passion and love. Mas lalo akong napakapit sa kanya ng mahigpit. His lips are sweet. It's so soft. I want to kiss him all day. I want to kiss you all day, he murmured. At napangiti ako dahil pareho kami ng iniisip. I kissed him back with so much passion. I want to make love with you, he said before putting me on the couch. Please, make me forget everything, I murmured, so he began kissing me again. Dahan-dahan niya akong hiniga sa couch. It's just enough for him to reach my lips without putting his weight on me. I love you, he whispered. Let's go home, I weakly said while craning my neck to give him access. Yes, we should. We continue kissing each other. No one wants to stop. At kapag sinusubukan niyang lumayo sa akin ay hinihila ko siya palapit lalo. In this stressful life, I want to escape through his kisses. Mom, I might not be able to control myself, he whispered while biting my neck. I moaned in pleasure. This is the escape that I want. I want to forget everything with him. Gusto kong ituon ang buong pansin ko sa mga halik na binibigay niya. In a blink of an eye, he took my coat off. Maingat niya yung inilagay sa gilid namin. Saka muli niyang tinuloy ang paghalik sa akin. I gripped his hair to push his face on my neck even more. The door is locked, right? I murmured, so he cursed. Bigla siyang lumayo sa akin kaya pumungay ang mga mata ko. I didn't lock the door. My lips parted while staring at him. Sunod-sunod ang paghinga niya habang nakatanaw siya sa akin. I know that I mirrored his eyes. We both want this. No one's gonna enter, I hope, he murmured before kissing me again. At mas lalo akong nawala sa sarili ko nang bahagya niyang ibuka ang mga hita ko. He positioned himself in between me. Napatunayan ko na mas gusto niya itong nangyayari kaysa sa akin. His kisses trailed down my neck, and a few minutes after he lifted the hem of my dress until my stomach. Let's go home after, I murmured before digging my nails on his skin. He groaned because of that. Kapwa kaming napatingin sa kuko kung bumaon sa braso niya. After a while, he chuckled before kissing me again. We are both crazy for each other's touch, and I want to feel the warmth of his body. So I slightly lifted his shift up. Nagdalawang isip pa siya kung itataas niya ng tuluyan ng t-shirt niya, pero sa huli siya na rin mismong naghubad. His build is more detailed now. He's hotter and hotter every day. I immediately caressed his skin. Pareho na naming nakalimutan na kapwa kaming nasa opisina. I just want to feel him fully right now. I want him. I got so frustrated because of that, but that frustration turned into moaning. I moaned so much and I don't care if someone will hear me right now. His kisses trailed down until he knelt in front of me. My eyes widened. Mas lalo akong nabaliw nang inilapit niya ang mukha niya sa hita ko. I was about to tell him that he doesn't need to do this, but he suddenly pulled down my underwear. Zeus, I moaned. I quickly felt the pleasure forming inside me. Dan, I hate it when I can't control myself, Zeus murmured before he stood. He quickly takes his belt off before opening his zipper, and after a while I saw how hard he is. He hugged me and I hugged him back. I love you, he whispered before feeling me. I moan and he groans. He made sure to do this quickly before we get caught by someone in this company. He moves so fast and I like it so much. I love it every time our bodies collide. I love it because it feels like we are one. We are connected. We are tangled. I bit my lower lips to stop myself from moaning loudly when I felt the explosion for the second time. We are both tired, but I have this satisfaction inside of me. Ilang sandali pa'y pinatakan niya ako ng halik sa noo bago niya inayos ang suot niyang pants. And after that, he went to my table to get my wipes. Tahimik kaming pareho at tahimik ko lang tinitingnan habang nililinisan niya ako. Siya rin na nag-ayos ng damit ko. He even combed my hair using his finger. Let's go home, I murmured before standing up. I could still feel him in me. This is so frustrating. Kailan tayo babalik sa OB? He asked and I shrugged. Wala sa sariling napayuko ako at napatingin sa belt niyang hindi pa naaayos. We did it. We really did it. He chuckled before slightly hugging my waist. The Snow Queen is being silly, he said. Marahan niya pang kinagat ang tenga ko kaya bahagya ko siyang naitulak. He laughed before fixing his belt. Marahan naman akong tumalikod para pumunta sa lamesa ko. I want to go home for real. I was about to turn off my laptop and my computer But the door suddenly opened. Mabilis akong tumingin sa pinto at hindi ko maiwasang kabahan. Close the door! Malakas na sambit ko kay Mira na nalalaki ang mga matang nagpalipat-lipat ng tingin sa akin at kay Zeus. Zeus is still fixing his belt and he's topless. What the fuck? Gulat na sambit ni Mira. Saka napatingin sa wipe na nagkalat sa couch. Napapikit ako ng mariin. Now I feel like a criminal. Zeus immediately wore his shirt. But it's too late. Mira already has an idea. Did you just... Damn! Sambit niya saka napairap. Nandidiri niya akong tiningnan pati si Zeus na nagpatuloy sa paglilinis na tila walang pakialam. He threw the wipes in the trash can like he doesn't care that someone knew what we have done here. Gosh, so disgusting! And why are you here? Inis na tanong niya kay Zeus. I rolled my eyes before sitting on my swivel chair. Kapag nalaman ni Daddy na dito siya, lagot ka. Inis na sabi ni Mira, saka sa akin na lamang bumaling. I rolled my eyes. Inignora ko siya at nakita kong isang paper bag sa tabi ng laptop ko. Kaya mabilis kong tiningnan ng laman. I immediately feel hungry when I saw a lot of foods. What do you need? I asked Mira. Nilabas ko lahat ng laman ng paper bag. These are so good. I'm just bored, but I'll go now. Bye. Just please don't do what you did again. Yuck! Sabi niya saka umalis. She even locked the door so I smirked before turning to Zeus, who's staring at me. Uuwi tayo? Tanong niya na tinanguan ko. Yes, after eating. I said before opening the food he got for me. Hotel na lang tayo. Sabi niya na ipinagkibit ko lang ng balikat. I have no meeting after lunch, so I can go with him. And as I wanted, we ate the food he brought before leaving. I want to forget all of my problems. We went to his hotel. Bigla kong naalala na isa ito sa nakita ko kanina sa folder na galing kay Daddy. Zeus just starting. Dad can't ruin this. Hindi ko siya hahayaan. Are you okay? You are spacing out, Zeus said. So I sighed before turning to him. We are inside one of the hotel rooms. Nakahiga ako sa kama habang siya'y nakatayo sa harap ko. He's wearing his boxers and is holding the shake I requested earlier. I smiled before slightly sitting so I could get the shake from him. I'm wearing his white shirt now. At napasinghap ako nang matikman ng watermelon shake na kanina ko pa gustong inumin. This is great. Where did you buy this? I said and he just shrugged before sitting next to me. In the hotel's restaurant. He said so I nodded. This hotel has a great future with him. Dahan-dahan siyang humiga sa mga hita ko. I was busy drinking my watermelon shake, so I let him. Can you make me a watermelon shake after? I want this drink before I sleep, I said. Is that your new cravings? He asked and I shrugged. I just like the taste of it. After a while, he suddenly lifted the shirt I was wearing to caress my tummy. It's quite big now. He pointed out. Marahan niyang hinalik-halikan ng tiyan ko habang abala ako sa pag-inom at ilang sandali pa nga'y umangat ng umangat ang halik niya. I raised my brow. Mabilis kong nilagay ang shake sa lamesa sa tabi ng kama para tingnan ang ginagawa niya. What are you doing? Masungit na tanong ko pero ipinagpatuloy lang niyang paghalik sa akin. Zeus! Banta ko pero hindi niya ako pinansin. I rolled my eyes. The CEO isn't busy. He teased. I rolled my eyes again. You are a CEO now too, I said before pinching his hand on my chest. But instead of stopping, he just laughed. Umayo siya ng upo sa kadahan-dahan na pinahubad sa akin ang damit niyang suot ko. And now I know that he wants something again. And I hate myself for suddenly wanting what he wants. I bit my lower lip and I began gripping his hair. Zeus, you are being naughty, I said in a hard way. Tumigil siya sa ginagawa at sinalubong ang mga mata ko. We both like this, baby, he sweetly said before letting me lie down in bed so he could position himself slowly above me. His lips found my lips, and he was about to go down when his phone suddenly vibrated. Kapwa kami tumigil at inis siyang tumayo kaya napairap na lang ako saka napangisi. Seems like you are the one who's busy, I teased. He chuckled before shaking his head. Mabilis niyang kinuha ang phone niya at nang buksan niya yun ay kitang-kita ko kung paano kumunot ang noo niya na tila may hindi magandang nakita. Napakunot rin ang noo ko at nang umupo siya sa kamay marahan rin akong umupo. I wore his white shirt again before looking at his phone screen. At namutla ako sabay lunok nang makita kung anong nakita niya. The company I invested suddenly pulled out my investment. I have 3 investments. 2 nag-pull out. Sambit niya kaya naikuyom ko ang kamao ko. What? Pasinghap na sambit ko. Biglang may pumasok sa isipan ko kaya mabilis akong pumikit. This can't be. Yes, they emailed me. He said. Naguguluhan niyang binalik ang cellphone niya sa lamesa. They didn't state the reason. I said with a gritted teeth. Bigla siyang nagbuga ng hangin saka ako marahan na pinatakan ng halik sa mga labi. Wait a minute. May kukunin lang ako sa opisina. I'll be back later. Sabi niya saka dali-daling nagsuot ng pantalon na tinanguan ko na rin. What about your shirt? Tanong ko dahil suot-suot ko ngayon ang damit niya. It's fine. I'm sure this hotel has a spare shirt. Sabi niya saka mabilis pumasok sa loob ng banyo. Pagkalabas niya ay nakasuot na siya ng panibagong t-shirt. He kissed me again before going out. Nang tuluyan siyang makalabas ay mabilis ko ring inabot ang cellphone ko. I know what's the reason behind. Hindi ako pwedeng magkamali. My father is using his power. Mabilis kong tinawagan ang number ni Daddy. Isang ring pa lang ay kaagad niyang sinagot na tila nag-aabang siya. Dad, what did you do? Mariin na sambit ko at narinig kong sarkastiko niyang pagtawa sa kabilang linya. Mas lalong nagpuyos ang damdamin ko. I am just starting, Julia. He said. Stay away from him! I shouted. Pinaghirapan niya yon. Hindi pwedeng mawala. He started with nothing. He earned those on his own. Then follow what I want. He shouted back so my fingers trembled. You are so evil. You'll see, Julia. I can make him as poor as a rat if you continue being hard-headed. He said before ending the call. Nabitawan ko ang cellphone ko. My tears fell. Zeus can't lose everything because of me. He achieved those on his own. He started from scratch. Importante sa kanyang lahat. I can't ruin that. My father can't ruin that. After an hour, Zeus came back. Kunot ang noo niya at mukhang inis na inis. What happened? Tanong ko saka mabilis akong umupo mula sa pagkakahiga sa kama. He sighed before smiling a bit. But that smile didn't reach his eyes. Napalunok ako ng mariin saka nag-iwas ng tingin. I feel so guilty. He's just starting. But I am the reason why he suddenly fell. It's fine, he said before lying beside me. I slightly played with his hair. What happened? Ulit na tanong ko. They didn't state the reason. Mahinang sambit niya sa kamarahang sinubsob ang mukha niya sa tiyan ko. Give me the company name. I'll talk to them. I said while silently hoping that people would follow me, like how they follow my father. I already made a name in the business industry. I hope I could do something. Hindi pwede to. No, he said. I sighed. We slept in the hotel for that day. Maaga kaming umuwi sa penthouse ko para makapagbihis at hinatid niya rin kaagad ako sa kumpanya pagkatapos. Pagkarating sa kumpanya ay imbis na sa opisina ko ay sa opisina ni Daddy ako dumiretso. Padabog kong sinarang pinto ng opisina niya nang makapasok ako. He boredly looked at me. Stay away from Zeus! Matapang na sambit ko. Nagbabahay-bahaya na pala kayo. Sarkastikong sambit niya pero tiningnan ko lang siya ng masama. If I could only request for another parents, I would do. Mariin na sambit ko pero sarkastiko lang siyang tumawa. Where do you think you got your talent and business? Hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit malakas ang loob mo. Anak nga kita. Sabi niya but I shook my head. You never treated me as your daughter, Dad. Please, ituloy-tuloy niyo na lang. I don't need parents who only know how to control and manipulate me. I said. He shook his head. Leave, Julia. Do not test my patience. I will do whatever I want. Madiin na sambit niya. Walang kasalanan si Zeus dito. Sigaw ko. My whole body is trembling because of too much anger. We will have an interview. We will let people know that you and John Mayer are engaged. And we will plan an engagement party. He demanded but I shook my head. That will never happen. Then witness your boy toys fall. He said. You can't do this, Dad. mas lalong hindi mo ako mapapasunod. I shouted but he just smirked. Let's see. Nagpupuyos ako sa galit na lumabas ako sa opisina niya. Gusto kong maiyak at sumigaw sa sobrang galit. I loathed him to the bone. Maybe I am the most unlucky daughter. Sana hindi na lang sila ang mga magulang ko. I am thankful that I am able to see this world because of them. Pero para rin namang wala akong sariling buhay sa mga pinagagawa nila. They are manipulating me. This is too much. Ubus na ako. I just want to live a life away from them. Kung hindi nila ako kayang ituring na anak, ay tatanggapin ko na ng tuluyan. I even want them to disown me because I feel like my life would be a lot better without them. Having a parents is great, pero hindi tulad nilang mga magulang na hihingi ng isang anak. Mas mabuti pang wala na lang. But Dad won't let me. They won't let me do what I want. Ano na lang ang gagawin ko? Naupo ako sa swivel chair ko at hinayaan kong mga luha kong tumulo. This is too much. Hindi ko na alam kung paano sasagutin si Daddy. Wala siyang konsensya. He'll ruin my life for this business. Tumutulong naman ako. Pero bakit kailangang maging ganito pa?